How to stop auto refresh in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Chrome Web Store or this tab where it shows you. Then all you have to do is add it to Chrome. Make sure you are using your web to do so. So after that, you will get a table and a bunch of tab titles and other you will see is auto discardable. If you want to stop auto discarding or auto refresh, all you have to do is tap on that tick button and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.